So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to multi-boot your USB flash drive. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah. So let us start. So open your web browser, download Ventoy. So if you're on a Windows machine, here's the package for Ventoy. If you're on a Linux, download for Linux. So me, I'm on a Windows machine, so I'm going to download the Windows. So I'm going to click. So here is the new release, Ventoy 1.045 release. So I'm going to download that. So I'm on a Windows machine, so I'm going to click download. So guys, after downloading Ventoy, now we're going to extract the file. So I'm going to extract here. So we're going to open Ventoy. So I'm going to run this Ventoy 2-disk executable file. So as you can see, Ventoy has detected my USB thumb drive. So I'm going to select option. As you can see here, it is in MBR partition, but my system is GPT partition, so I'm going to change the setting. So if you are on an MBR partition scheme, you're going to choose MBR, but in this case mine is GPT, so I'm going to change that. I'm going to choose GPT. Then I'm going to install Ventoy into my USB thumb drive. So I'm going to press just install. So your USB thumb drive should be formatted and should not contain any data, because the data will be lost. So I'm going to press continue. Now after finishing, now after installing Ventoy to USB flash drive, we're going to copy the operating systems to the flash drive. So let's do it. So guys, as you can see, I have two operating system, which is Windows and Linux Mint. So I'm going to add another operating system, which is Ubuntu. Yeah, so that it can be a triple boot. So guys, after I finished copying the operating systems, the ISO files, so we're going to eject our USB thumb drive. So as you can see, it has 3 operating systems. So I'm going to eject my flash drive. So you remove the USB flash drive. So after finishing removing the flash drive, so we're going to power off the machine. So guys, the next step is to plug in the USB flash drive that we have created with Ventoy to the laptop or computer. So I'm going to plug it. So after plugging it, I'm going to power on the machine. and in this case you press the boot key option, which in my case is F12. It varies depending on your laptop's manufacturer or computer's manufacturer. Now I'm going to select EFI USB, which is the USB flash drive. So I'm going just to select it and press enter. So as you can see, it has the 3 operating systems that we created, which is Linux Mint and Ubuntu. Now we're going to test Linux Mint first. So as you can see, it is working. So I'm just going to reboot I'm just going to power off the laptop and test another operating system. So I'm going just to repeat the same step. I'm going to press F12, which is my boot key. Now I'm going to select Windows operating system. So guys, as you can see, it is working. This is the Windows operating system.